Friends, look at this tiny peanut in my hand. Now imagine, what if a stone this small could power your entire village for a whole year? Sounds unbelievable, right? But it's true. In today's video, we're going to talk about a magical stone that can light up cities for years. And, in a single moment, can turn the entire world into ashes. Its name is uranium, one of the most powerful and dangerous elements on Earth. But how does this ordinary-looking stone generate electricity in power plants? And why is the whole world so afraid of it? In this video, we'll explore its thrilling journey, from deep underground to inside a nuclear reactor. Make sure to watch till the end, because there's a mind-blowing fact waiting for you. So, do you know where uranium came from? It wasn't made in any factory. Uranium was created billions of years ago during the explosive death of a massive star in space, an event scientists call a supernova. The dust and debris from that explosion eventually reached Earth, and that's how uranium became part of our planet. In 1789, German scientist Martin Heinrich Klaproth first discovered it. At that time, people thought it was just another ordinary rock. But in 1896, Henri Becquerel noticed something strange. This rock was emitting an invisible energy. Today, we call it radioactivity. Later, Marie Curie studied this mystery even further. But the real breakthrough came in 1938, when scientists discovered that splitting a tiny uranium atom releases an enormous amount of energy. Now the question is, where do we find uranium? The largest reserves are in Kazakhstan, Canada, and Australia. But extracting it from the ground is not easy. Take Canada's Cigar Lake mine, for example. Uranium is buried about 500 meters underground. But right above it lies sand and water. If you dig normally, the whole mine would flood. So what did engineers do? They inserted hundreds of pipes into the ground and pumped extremely cold liquid, below freezing temperature, to turn the surrounding area into solid ice. Then, using remote-controlled machines, they safely cut and extract the uranium, because the radiation there is too dangerous for humans. The rock they bring up contains only a small amount of uranium, so it's crushed into powder and mixed with strong acid. This process removes impurities and separates the uranium. At the end, we get a thick yellow powder called yellowcake. It may look like something from a bakery, but don't even think about touching it. It's highly toxic. Now here's something interesting, not all uranium is useful. There are two types, U-238 and U-235. We need U-235, but it makes up only 0.7% of natural uranium. The remaining 99.3% is mostly useless for power generation. Increasing the amount of U-235 is called enrichment. To do this, uranium is converted into gas and placed in machines called centrifuges. These machines spin faster than a fighter jet engine. Due to this extreme speed, lighter and heavier uranium atoms separate.
For electricity generation, we need uranium enriched to about 3-5, but for nuclear weapons, it needs to be over 90%. After enrichment, the uranium is turned back into powder and formed into small pellets about the size of a peanut. Just like we mentioned at the beginning, these pellets are placed inside long tubes and loaded into a nuclear reactor. Inside the reactor, neutrons hit the uranium atoms, splitting them apart. This process releases a huge amount of heat. That heat boils water into steam, and the steam spins massive turbines generating electricity. A single tiny uranium pellet can produce up to 1 million kilowatt-hours of electricity, enough to power thousands of homes. But this immense power has a dark side too. After use, the leftover material is called spent fuel. It remains radioactive for thousands of years and must be stored carefully, often underwater, to prevent harm. Uranium teaches us a powerful lesson. If used wisely, it can bring light to even the darkest villages. But if misused, it can lead to disasters like Chernobyl. So, what did you think about this video? Let me know in the comments. Does your village or city have electricity? And what topic would you like us to cover next?